Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Learn the easiest way to position your footer exactly at the bottom of the page in Microsoft Word with this step-by-step guide from Backspace. Perfect for professional documents, reports, assignments and print-ready files. So let's get started. We can see here our assignment. Now I want to add the footer on the bottom of the page. At first go to the View menu and enable the multiple page. Then we go back the insert menu, click this footer option. Then we can see here many footer option. You can like edit the footer bottom of this page, then type anything. Now I am write my text. Then you can increase size, otherwise decrease the size of the footer. Then close the header and footer. Then check the all page. We can see we added the footer on the bottom of the page easily. I hope you understand this process. This process is very easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.